Hi friends!
Miscou Island is located in the Gulf of St. Lawrence, at the northeastern tip of Gloucester County, in New Brunswick. It's separated from Lamec Island by the Miscou Channel, and together, these islands form Miscou Harbour. The island's name comes from the Mi'kmaq word susku, meaning low land or boggy marsh, which perfectly describes its landscape. Miscou Island was one of the first areas explored by Jacques Cartier in 1534 and was a fishing base for Basque fishermen. A Jesuit mission was established here in 1634, making it an important, though seasonal, port in early Canadian history. According to legend, the island was once home to the fearsome Go-Go monster, which frightened the native Mi'kmaq. Despite their fears, native hunters set up seasonal camps on the island. Fishing, especially for lobster and herring, is the main industry on the island.
Thank you very much.
Unlike nearby areas, the peat moss here remains unharvested, preserved in its natural state. Visitors can explore several boardwalks and information areas about the peat moss and other natural habitats. One of the island's highlights is the Miscou Island Lighthouse, built in 1856. Located at the northeastern tip, it's open for guided tours in the summer and features a cafe and gift shop. The lighthouse was designated a National Historic Site of Canada in 1974. Thank you for joining us in discovering the beauty and history of Miscou Island, New Brunswick. Miscou Harbour is a picturesque and tranquil haven that perfectly embodies the island's rugged coastal charm. This serene harbour is known for its pristine natural beauty, featuring crystal-clear waters and stunning vistas that attract nature lovers and photographers alike. The harbour serves as a vital hub for the local fishing community, with colourful boats dotting the landscape and providing a glimpse into the traditional maritime lifestyle. Surrounding the harbour, visitors can find lush greenery and diverse wildlife, making it an excellent spot for birdwatching and exploring coastal trails. The Miscou Island Lighthouse is a historic beacon that has guided mariners safely along the Gulf of St. Lawrence since 1856. This iconic lighthouse offers not only crucial navigational aid, but also a captivating glimpse into the maritime heritage of the region. It is a federal heritage building standing 24.3 meters tall. Strategically positioned at Chilla Bay's entrance to prevent shipwrecks, it features an original wooden, octagonal tower housing a Fresnel lens. Maintained by the Canadian Coast Guard, visitors can explore its interior and climb to the top for panoramic views. The Miscou Island Lighthouse stands as a symbol of the enduring relationship between the island's residents and the sea, embodying both historical significance and natural splendor. The Peat Bog Trail is a scenic boardwalk approximately 670 meters long with an elevation change of 9 meters. It offers a captivating journey through a peat bog landscape, highlighted by educational signs suitable for all ages. Located after a 10 km drive on Route 113 from the island's bridge, the trail features stunning views, especially during autumn when vibrant red hues dominate the scenery. Visitors are encouraged to explore this natural wonder, accessible from a small parking lot before reaching the Miscou Island Lighthouse.
watching.